Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about what are adapters and how to populate list with data. When we created our first activity, top level activity, we could bind data to the list view using the Android entries attribute in your layout XML. This worked because the data was held as a static string array resource. The array was described in strings.xml, so we could easily refer to it using Android entries is equal to @array/options, where options is the name of the string array. Using Android entries only works if the data is a static array in strings.xml. But what if it isn't? What if the data is held in an array you have programmatically created in Java code or held in a database? In this case, the Android entries attribute won't work. If you need to bind your list view to data held in something other than a string array resource, you need to take a different approach. You need to write activity code to bind the data. In our case, we need to bind our list view to the drinks array in the drink class. If you need to display data in a list view that comes from a non-static source such as a Java array or database, you need to use an adapter. An adapter acts as a bridge between the data source and the list view. There are several different types of adapters. For now, we are going to focus on ArrayAdapters. An ArrayAdapter is a type of adapter that's used to bind arrays to views. You can use it with any subclass of the adapter view class, which means you can use it with both list views and spinners. In our case, we are going to use an ArrayAdapter to display data from the drink.drinks array in the list view. You use an ArrayAdapter by initializing the ArrayAdapter and attaching it to the list view. To initialize the ArrayAdapter, you first specify what type of data is contained in the array you want to bind to the list view. You then pass it three parameters: a context, usually the current activity, a layout resource that specifies how to display each item in the array, and the array itself. Here's the code to create an ArrayAdapter that displays drink data from the drink.drinks array. You then attach the ArrayAdapter to the list view using the ListView setAdapter method. Behind the scenes, the ArrayAdapter takes each item in the array, converts it to a string using its toString method and puts each result into a text view. It then displays each text view as a single row in the list view. That's it for this video. I'll be continuing more on this topic in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally subscribe to my channel.